How to reinvest dividends on Charles Schwab app. I'm going to tell you how to reinvest dividends on Charles Schwab. Right now, you can't set up or change dividend reinvestment settings through the Charles Schwab mobile app. You have to do it on their website. To start, log into your account at schwab.com, then go to the Accounts tab and click on Positions. From there, look for the Reinvest column next to your holdings. If it says no, click it to switch to yes and enable dividend reinvestments. If you don't see that column, click the gear icon above the table and enable it manually. If you're using your phone, you can still open the full Schwab website in your browser and follow the same steps. Just note that the mobile app itself won't let you manage drip settings, at least for now.